Welcome to SSPL. So, you have received a zipped file. To see its contents, you have to download, extract, and view all the images individually. It is cumbersome and involves space on your phone or device. We have just the tool to make it simple. Download the zipped file. Go to your browser and type SSPL claims. Click the first link that shows up. Click the Access Our Tools button. Scroll down to Zip Extractor tool. Choose your zipped file. Presto! All the images in that zipped file shows up on your browser. Click Select All to see all the files at once. Right-click or long press the image to preview or download. As simple as that. No ads, no installation, no extraction. We are ZzpDwn Services Private Limited.